Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full face of Wet n Wild products. I have all of the Wet n Wild products that I bought from CVS and a little bit of from Walmart in this bag here. So if you guys want to see the look I come up with and hear my thoughts on some of these products because I've never used any of them before, then stay tuned. So we're going to start out with brows first. So I'm going to be using this Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil, and I got the shade Dark Brown. So this is what the pencil looks like. It's pretty interesting. It's like a triangle type shape. It kind of reminded me of a Maybelline one that I have, and then this is the spoolie on this end. So let's see how this is going to be. The spoolie's kind of big for my liking. When you use these kind of things, I recommend putting like the skinnier part of the tip, so this end, like you use that. Oh, it's really creamy. I like the color so far. So I like the brows so far. I think they look really nice. This brow pencil's pretty good. It is a little thick, like to hold. I'm so used to something really skinny, but otherwise I like it. It's really creamy, easy to blend out, and it's very easy to use. Would recommend this. So next in my makeup routine, I always do my eyes. Now, I don't know if Wet n Wild doesn't have an eye primer or what. I couldn't find one. I went to Walmart, CVS, and Five Below to look for some Wet n Wild products, and I just didn't see an eye primer anywhere. So I used my Makeup Revolution primer. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Not a Basic Peach palette. I liked this palette. It was really pretty. I just like the colors. The blue is like what's speaking to me. I've never used these palettes before, but they're so hard to open. I like scratched the whole thing, so I was using tweezers to like dig in there. Wet n Wild's got some good stickers. So first, I'm going to kind of just like follow the directions and go in with this transition shade right here. There's a little bit of like kickback in the pan, but I feel like that was expected. This color is literally lighter than me, so there's that. So next I'm going to go in with this transition shade right here and see if that does anything. Hopefully it does. These colors look so pretty. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. I was not expecting this pigment. I keep seeing people say like their palettes are a little hit or miss, but I like it so far. Next I'm going to add this like deep brown shade, and I'm picking up this transition and then this deep brown, and I'm just going to really like focus this on the outer V. Oh, okay, that's a really pigmented shade. Was not expecting it. They're really easy to blend though. I'm surprised because these are like super affordable. I like where this is going. I like it. I like it. So I'm really torn about what lid shade I want to use because I really want to use this blue, but I also really like this shade as well. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this purpley shade. Oh, this looks really pretty. And I'm just going to put this on the lid. Okay, this is the most fallout I've experienced this whole entire time. But it's honestly okay because this shade is really pretty and I really like it. Just gonna really build it up with my finger. So I'm going to go back in with that brown on my finger. I've been loving doing this lately. It just like ties everything together. So I'm gonna wet this brush with my Mario Badescu spray. I don't have a whole lot. And just go over it with that purple, just because it's looking a little patchy, honestly. Okay, there we go. And I'm going in with the blue. Told you, it's happening. I'm just gonna fill in the rest there. So this blue and purple shade have like the most fallout. But I mean, they're shimmer shades, so like I kind of expected it. Ooh, I love how this looks. I'm just gonna take my pinky. Oh, so this is what it looks like if you swatch it with your finger. Because I was going to pick some of this up on my pinky so I can really get all up in there. That worked. Next for eyeliner, I got this Wet n Wild H2O proof liquid eyeliner in the shade dark brown, and I'm just going to apply this to the upper lash line. So I have used this liner before, and the trick with it is don't get it near your lashes, or else your lashes get like all crusty and weird. So I can't decide if I want to do anything to my lower lash line, so I'm just going to skip it for now and move on to mascara. And for mascara, I'm using the Max Volume Plus Waterproof Mascara. I really, really like this mascara. It's really nice. So just gonna pop on the lashes. This I like to use alone or with other mascaras, which works really nice, and I really, really like the wand. I think the wand's really good. It's waterproof. I put it to the test over the summer, which is really good to know. It's affordable. It's at I think it's at Ulta, Walmart, CVS, Five Below even. So I just cleaned off my face with a BB wipe with all that fallout, and I'm liking how this makeup look is turning out. I think it looks pretty good. So next I'm going to go in with primer, and for primer I'm using the Photo Focus primer, and is the dewy one. So this is what the primer looks like. It's just like a skin color, but it looks like it's got some sparkle in there. Oh, okay. Doesn't smell like anything. But my hand also smells like baby wipes, so. I kind of just like how my skin, I'm looking in the mirror behind you guys. I like how my skin looks with just this on, so this might be a good product. So I've been really liking putting a liquid highlight underneath my foundation, and I found this Mega Glow Hello Halo liquid highlighter in the shade Halo Goodbye. I just thought the name was really cute. I'm just gonna put this where the sun would hit. I'm just gonna use this Emax Design Tools to blend out. This is a really pretty highlight, and it's really easy to use because of that applicator, so you don't go too heavy-handed, which I like, because sometimes you can really go too heavy-handed with those liquid highlights. Now onto foundation. I bought the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And I bought two different colors because in the store I could not tell, and when I swatched, when I got home, it was ridiculous. So I think I'm going to go in with this one, which is Bronze Beige, and see how this goes. I'm going to give it a good little shake here. And I don't know. I had no idea what to do for foundation. And I feel like I'm not going to like this. So I don't know. I'll save the other one for the summer. Maybe I'll use it then. Kind of smells like paint. Why does it smell like paint? Just gonna blend out now. Okay, so this color looks pretty good. So this is pretty matte. And it really covered up all my redness. I don't know how I feel though about the under eye area. It's like a little kiki there. Now moving on to bronzer. I couldn't really find any bronzers, so I found this Mega Glow contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. So I'm just going to oh so very lightly go into the bronzer side and bronze. I'm scared. I don't know why. This just looks like it's gonna be like really dark. I don't know. So with this, you kind of want to do light hand. If you ever purchased that. Honestly, this isn't like so bad. The powder. It's definitely not my favorite. Next, moving on to blush, and I got this Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. That was just one little dip in the pan. Oh gosh, oh gosh. I'm scared. This is a lot. Hope my TikTok hater doesn't come for me. So I'm going to go in with this light side. It's really like a setting powder, but gonna go over the blush. Next, I'm going to go in with this Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water, and it's in the scent Cool as a Cucumber. And I'm just gonna mist my face before I highlight. Oh, that smells horrendous. Oh, good lord. That does not smell like cucumber. And for highlight, I'm going in with the Mega Glow highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. So this is one of my favorite highlights, so I know it can do me no wrong. So the foundation, where like my chin crease is, really settled into that line, and I've never noticed that happen to any foundation. And right here too, I have like little wrinklies, and my pores just looks terrible in. This is weird, but I mean, it looks good. I don't know. I think it looks better now that I have like my blush on. Well, a whole thing of blush on my face. And highlight. I think that looks better now. So I'm just gonna go back in with this horrid cucumber mist. It smells so bad. Oh my god. And I'm just gonna melt the highlight and try to get some of this blush off also because it's so much. So I'm gonna go in. I want to do something along the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna go in with this transition, this like transition shade, and then this like brown shade just a little bit, and just run that along the lower lashes. Now moving on to lips, I have the Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit. These are 6 that I own. I'm not proud of it. So I think I'm going to go in with this one. Is this Giving Mocha? Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Giving Mocha. So this is the completed look. So I liked everything except the cucumber spray, and the foundation I'm kind of iffy about. And that is it for this all Wet n Wild makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to also follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys want any more of these videos, please let me know in the comments down below. Leave me some good like drugstore brands that you want me to try. Nothing too crazy expensive because I'm not made of money, but I'll try to do more of these because I really like doing them. I want to do like an all or like trying Five Below makeup. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that, because like Five Below has like weird brands there. Let me know. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.